In the news tonight, a security boost. Victoria Jubilee Hospital ramps up security measures in the wake of stolen baby controversy. Leptospirosis fears in St. Catherine. A Jamaican in the White House. California senator with Jamaican roots declares her hand. And daring daylight attempted robbery ends deadly.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Janella Precious. There's also business news in this newscast. Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thank you, Janella. Well, do you remember those roadworks in the corporate area? Well, business operators have been complaining and seeking compensation. The finance minister has responded to those requests from Barbican business operators. They won't like the answer. I'll have the details in the business day.
And after business, there'll be sports. Jordan Fort is here with the headlines there.
Well, Archie, one very popular eight-time Olympic gold medalist is not happy with the future of Jamaican athletics. He's concerned. I'll tell you more about that in sports.
Thank you so much, Jordan. There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking the question that's on your screen. We're asking, what has been your shopping experience since the ban on plastic bags came into effect?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail after the break.